When it comes to conducting accurate and precise leveling surveys in Noida Sector 50, it is essential to hire professional surveyors who specialize in this field. Leveling surveyors play a crucial role in determining the elevation and height differences between different points on the ground. They use advanced equipment and techniques to measure and record these variations, ensuring that construction projects are carried out with utmost accuracy. In Noida Sector 50, where urban development is rapidly taking place, leveling surveyors are in high demand to ensure that the construction projects align with the terrain and meet the necessary standards. One such company that offers exceptional leveling surveying services in Noida Sector 50 is SCON Design. With their team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors, they have established a reputable name in the industry. SCON Design understands the importance of accurate leveling surveys and the impact it has on the overall success of construction projects. They utilize state-of-the-art equipment and cutting-edge technology to conduct surveys that meet industry standards and client requirements. In Noida Sector 50, where the landscape is constantly changing due to ongoing construction activities, it becomes even more critical to have reliable and efficient leveling surveyors. SCON Design's team of experts is well-versed in handling complex surveying tasks and can adapt to various terrains and conditions. Whether it is a residential, commercial, or infrastructure project, SCON Design can provide comprehensive leveling surveys that cater to specific project needs. They also offer a range of other surveying services, including topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. Their holistic approach ensures that clients have access to all the necessary surveying solutions under one roof. This not only saves time but also allows for seamless coordination between different surveying tasks. Hiring qualified surveyors with expertise in this area is crucial for conducting precise and accurate leveling surveys in Noida Sector 50. Determine the elevation and height variances between various points on the ground by consulting a leveling surveyor. They measure and record these variations using cutting-edge tools and methods, guaranteeing that building projects are completed with the utmost precision. Leveling surveyors are in high demand in Noida Sector 50, where urban development is happening quickly, to make sure that the construction projects are in line with the terrain and adhere to the relevant criteria. SCON Design is one such business that provides top-notch leveling surveying services in Noida Sector 50. They have developed a solid reputation in the business because to their group of extremely knowledgeable and experienced surveyors. SCON Design is cognizant of the value of precise leveling surveys and how they affect the general success of construction projects. They conduct surveys that adhere to industry standards and customer requirements using cutting-edge technology and cutting-edge equipment. It is even more important to have dependable and effective leveling surveyors in Noida Sector 50 because the area is always changing owing to ongoing building. The personnel at SCON Design are skilled at tackling difficult surveying duties and can adjust to a variety